Hi, welcome to Brenda Beattie's Brushstrokes, and I'm Brenda Beattie. This channel is all about art, drawing, painting with acrylic, watercolors, and ink. It has tips and tricks, as well as step-by-step tutorials. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell so that you'll be notified each time I create a new video.
This video shows a simple way to do clouds and sky. We start out with a basic paint palette of phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, white, and matte medium. This is my reference photo. It's a picture of the Gatineau Hills in Quebec, seen from the Ontario side. At the end of the video, I will explain how you can get a copy of the reference photo. Look for a complete tutorial and the photo reference downloadable from the address on the top of the screen. Let me know how it went in the comments. Happy painting!